PowerPoint slides are empty, and, as you can see, there is plenty of space for you to put things into. I am going to draw a circle onto our canvas. You need to hold the Shift key down to create a perfect circle. I want to place my circle into the middle of the slide. But how do I know where the middle is? I can try to use trial and error. But more often than not, I won't get the best result I am looking for. There is some help, and you can see some dotted lines appearing. 2 guides that will help me. But there are other ways to achieve exact positioning. And the tools we can use are rulers, grids, and guidelines. We have already witnessed how useful guidelines are. Now let's explore our options still further. If you click on the View tab, you will see options with check boxes. That will enable you to add rulers, grid lines, and guidelines. Look what happens to the canvas when I select all 3 options. We now have plenty of help in our quest to position shapes or images, with the rulers clearly visible at the top and side of the slide, and the grid lines and guidelines clearly visible on the page. Let's test this out by drawing some shapes, and then positioning them across the center of the slide. We will draw a circle. Now we will duplicate the circle. We will click on the shape and then hold the Option key down, before dragging the shape 3 times across the center guideline. I want 2 on either side of the slide. We now have 4 circles available. Hey presto! I have the outcome I had planned. This was completed freehand. But there are ways to ensure precision. We will look at alignment of shapes in another film. Just to recap, I click on the View tab to show the ribbon where my options are. I click the box for rulers to show them at the top and side of the slide. I check the box for grid lines to show them on my slide. And now, I click in the box for guides to show them on the slide. When they appear, we have 3 very useful tools that will help us to place shapes on our slides with greater precision.
Brought to you by Evolution.